Guys, June 17, 2020. So now I got a call from a customer. She's got a leak down in the basement. She's got one of these crawl spaces that's kind of, you know, concrete floor, and you can barely stand up in there. It's kind of a high crawl space, but it's not a full cellar. She's got a lot of cave crickets down there, and she's got a leak down there. And she complained about, she got a pump in one of her little ponds that's not working. Like a fountain pump. I don't know what that's all about. And also I gotta check one of the heat pumps over there. It's been replaced recently, and I gotta check the charge on a warm day. I installed it in the winter time, so something like that, you're best to check the charge when it's on a cool day, on a hot day when you got a load on the AC part. So I gotta check that. Probably gonna have to add a little refrigerant to it. Well, we're gonna check those 3 items. Try to get you some shots if it's something interesting. Miss Molly's all excited about going to work. Get out of the house. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. It's a cool day today. I mean, it's probably only like, I don't know, probably 65, 60, 72, maybe something like that. It's not crazy hot right now. 9 o'clock. Getting my day started here. I think I got like banker hours. With my cord, there's no power going to this plug, so maybe it's downstairs. There's no power there, so it's off at the breaker. Sometimes it's simple shit, huh? That's probably gonna take care of it right there. That reset was off. Yeah, we got power now, and the pump's still not working. Alright, the pump's not working. We got power now. Oh, we got a bad pump there. There's a little pump right here, and then the cord just goes in over to here. And if I plug it in, it growls a little bit, then it shuts off. I just had it growl a little bit, so I need a new pump. Nothing. I think I have to get another pump. See, it's barely moving. It is moving now. Oh, just shut off. Oh yeah, the thing's toast. Here's the pump right there that I need. PP388. The thing's barely pumping, but I'm gonna get another one. Jabil PP388 110. That's what we need right there. I think it's barely spinning, huh? Maybe give it some lube. If it's not, it's pumping. We've lubed it up a little bit, but I'll wait to hear back from you, and then
all right.
we'll...
See if it craters again.
It was spittering and sputtering, but it's not normal.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. Well, you are a Sherlock Holmes.
American Standard toilet flappers. One's got a screw to it, assembly, and one's a pop-on. I believe she's got the pop-on one in there. American Standard. I think this is the one we need. The fountain's still going. You can see it's got the flush bucket on it. And that gasket's worn out. She's complaining about it keeps leaking. That gasket's a problem. See if we can change it. I got the water off. Be careful we don't break it. Look at my gloves. See how it's all cracked? Look at my gloves. That's the problem. And the next one, you can see it's got the ball on there. I'll just pop on. Gotta be careful you don't break it. There it goes. Popped in there. Gotta be careful you don't break it. You can break it real easy. See those stands around. There we go. It's gonna fill up. You tip it, it drains out. That should take care of the issue. Could be the flush valve starting to be an issue, but it's not looking too bad there. I recommend you get a new toilet. Let's get a little leakage, you never get them 100%. Subcoolants not looking bad there. Hunting a little bit. Superheat's fine because it's a TXV. It's only about 70 degrees out. It's not bad, so that's fine. Let it run for a bit, but it should be fine. Bring that subcooling up a little bit. Subcooling's right around 5. I'm gonna put some more gas in it. I did bleed back to here, and I got it off there. We'll turn this on, turn this tank upside down, give it some gundy. Heat her in a little bit here. Give it a little juice. 410A. I'm hooked up to the true suction on the heat pump. Gotta get a copy of the model and serial of this thing too, because don't want to overshoot it. Give it a little juice. Okay, I gotta gonna give it some more. I knew I had to add some refrigerant to this thing because I put it in the colder weather, and it's always good to check the charge when it's got a load on it when it's hot out. Bring that subcoolant up to about 9. That'll be good. Bring that subcooling up to about 9 or 10. I'm adding gas to it now. Dinosaur juice. Brought the subcoolant to about 8 and then shut it off. Let it run for a bit. You don't want to overshoot these things, especially with the 410A because you're putting it in as a liquid. So my superheat's good at 12. That's a TXV regulating that. Subcoolant's fine right where it is, right there around 9. I'm good with that. Suction pressure's 105. That's good. Suction temperature's above freezing. We're good there. We're probably going to leave it right where it is. We're at 9. Right around 9. Alright, so I'd add a couple of pounds. Well, pound. I actually had to add a little bit more than 2 pounds. 2.5 pounds. That's a long line set on that baby.